Hello, this is Matteo, Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Today we're going to unbox and give you some first impressions of a MoFi case for the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. This is a case that we ordered on AliExpress and was delivered to us in a relatively fast timescale, in around about 2 weeks. For the UK, arriving from China, that's actually very fast. Anyway, let's get to it. This is the packaging for the MoFi case. It's all cardboard with a cardboard skin that shows you some extra information about the company, MoFi, and a QR code if you want to look into their website a bit more. So you just slide this off the box. You can see there's a Made in China part to the packaging and the MoFi logo quite clearly visible on the top. We open it up. There seems to be a divider which keeps the MoFi case from jumping around inside the cardboard box. And the case itself, which is well packaged in soft touch plastic. Again, MoFi branding throughout, and it's see-through enough that you can see the MoFi brand through the plastic. And it just confirms that this is for the Pocophone F1. So overall, for a case, very good experience. I'm not entirely sure what this Chinese character is or what it's for, but I'll do a Google search later and see if I can find out any more information on that. Let's open this plastic sleeve and see what's inside. Here we have. So this has a bit of polystyrene holding the case. It's a plastic case which is covered in material. So this is cloth. It seems to be a dirt-resistant cloth as advertised. And there's two tones. There's one level at the top, which covers most of the back of the case, and one at the bottom, which is has a bit less texture to it, and the logo MoFi on it. So let's put this case on my Xiaomi Pocophone F1, currently one of my daily use smartphones. There we have it. It clicks on nicely. It fits on very snugly, as in there's little movement around the phone, which means it's well made. It fits well. You can see the speaker and microphone grills at the bottom, and the Type-C port are easily accessible. And at the top, the microphone and 3.5mm audio jack are well covered. It doesn't cover the notch to the smartphone, as you can see. It just covers the very edge of it. If anything, I would say this is a slimline case. It doesn't raise the screen. It doesn't go round the edges of raising the screen. So I would recommend, if you were getting this case, do use a screen protector, because if you put the phone with this case on face down, you're likely to scratch the screen to your phone. But to show you how slim it is, the camera module, the flash, and the fingerprint screen reader are hardly recessed far, but very ergonomic for unlocking the Pocophone F1. So overall, my first impression is quite positive for this MoFi case, which we purchased on AliExpress. Well, that's the end of our first impressions and unboxing of this MoFi case for the Pocophone F1. What I'm going to do is publish this video, and we'll also put some links to the product on AliExpress for you down there. As I said, my first impression is quite positive. It seems to be a soft touch material, which means it's not very slippery. And that's it for this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, and follow us on Twitter, where our handle is @TechTravelGeeks, all one word. You can also follow the same handle on Instagram, that's @TechTravelGeeks. And for now, that's everything for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.